Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited about this one, guys. I'm bringing you the classic, kind of basic, old school classic margarita. And it's very tasty, very fresh tasting, and I cannot wait to get excited. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm just gonna put a little lime on the rim here. Use a salt of your choice. I'm using a Stirrings margarita mix. It's got some salt, some sugars, some orange peels, and whatever else. I don't normally do salt, but I'm kind of anxious to taste this. Alright, set that off to the side. You guys now we'll come in with a shaker glass. This is 2 ounces of Cabo Wabo tequila. It's the Blanco. Use the tequila of your choice. I do recommend make sure your bottle says 100% agave tequila or 100% blue agave. That way you know you're getting good tequila. Do 2 ounces right into the shaker glass. This is 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, which is just a high-end triple sec liqueur. I'm using about a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. You can use a margarita mix here if you want. If you can, freshly squeezed lime juice, trust me. Right, we're just gonna give our shaker just some ice. Give this thing a good shake. Bring in our ice-filled coupe glass. Pour it on in. Perfect. Do a final garnish with our lime right there. Folks, the classic margarita. Let's give this thing a taste. Cheers to you guys. Definitely a high-end margarita, guys. That salt. Let me tell you about that salt. It's the first thing I taste. That Stirrings, I've never tried this before. If you like a standard margarita, give this salt a try. It's got salt, sugar, I think it's got some orange peel in there dried. That is tasty. I don't normally like salt, but I like that. That is a good, clean, fresh margarita from Lights Are Hot, guys. I'll tell you what, that is so tasty. Of course, the Cabo Wabo, that's a good high-end tequila. Your Cointreau, top of the line on your triple sec style drinks. That is so good. Another taste. I better slow down on that. It's gonna get ugly. Guys, thank you so much. I'm glad I could share this to you. This is an outstanding margarita. It's a basic margarita, and it's just kind of the old classic style margarita. That's not what you get in the restaurants for your cheaper end margaritas. This is a good margarita. Give it a try. Guys, thank you so much as always. I enjoyed bringing this to you. If you like more, want to see more, let me know down in the comments. This is a new thing we've been doing again. Trying to bring it back to the channel. So guys, please hit like if you like the video. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. And guys, we'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye. Love it right here. We're gonna finish this one.